If you're running an e-commerce store, your branding needs to be consistent everywhere on social media, product graphics, ads, and more. Canva's branding kit makes that super easy. Let me show you how to set it up and use it with your template. First, log into your Canva Pro account and go to the brand section from the homepage. Here, you'll see options to upload your logo, set your brand colors, and choose your brand fonts. Start by uploading your logo files, including different versions if you have them. Next, add your brand colors using hex codes. This ensures all your designs follow the same exact color scheme. And then pick up your heading, subheading, and body fonts, either from Canva's collection or upload your own. Once that's saved, open any e-commerce template, like for product promos or Instagram posts. Your brand kit elements will automatically appear in the editor. Just click to apply your logo, brand colors, and fonts. It's really that quick. Now, every design you create stays on brand without extra effort. It keeps your store looking also clean and professional and consistent. So if this really helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. See you in the next one. Until then.